CNBC.
Tech Effect, presented by EMC, enabling the transformation of IT and business.
Welcome back. Monday morning here on Squawk Asia. A company's success these days isn't just about top and bottom lines. It's also measured by how they manage their carbon footprint. Now, the biggest culprits are in the transportation and logistics industries, and technology is the game changer here. CNBC's Emily Chan has more in the Tech Effect.
When you think of planes, trains, and automobiles, clean and green aren't the first words that come to mind. But companies like UPS and Hyundai Heavy Industries are making a big effort to change that perception.
UPS delivers 15 million packages globally every day, and this Shenzhen port, open for just over a year and a half, remains a key hub for its intra-Asia traffic.
All of which amounts to some major pollution, but the logistics giant has put some solutions in place. One is package flow technology, which helps optimize delivery routes, limiting the amount of idle time for its hundreds of planes and vehicles.
We've been able to save about 30 million miles a year using the technology, and that equates to about 3 million gallons of fuel on an annual basis.
Efficiency isn't just about cutting idle time, it also means limiting errors.
All right, Chris, we see here the guys here are scanning the smart labels. How is that part of your sustainability efforts?
Well, really, the smart label is the backbone of UPS technology. Customer shipping systems produce these smart labels, which really show where each package is going. And it ensures that every package ends up in the right place, the right location at the right time. And it allows us to maximize the efficiency of our network by putting packages in the correct containers, in the correct vehicles, and it allows us to optimize our delivery routes.
UPS has also invested some $20 million in alternative fuel fleets, something the world's largest shipbuilder, Hyundai Heavy Industries, is also making a big push into.
We've invested 20 billion won, or around 18 million US dollars, into these environmentally friendly technologies. It does result in a 10% increase for clients, but when you consider other costs, it's more beneficial in the long run.
Hyundai Heavy Industries recently completed a test run of a newly developed gas engine for special purpose ships like those used for deep sea drilling. Hyundai engineers also worked on reducing chemical components, which resulted in a carbon footprint 20% lower than traditional diesel engines. Meanwhile, proprietary software systems analyze how fuel burns inside an engine to look for further efficiencies. Already, there are 70 orders on deck for ships fitted with this new fuel-efficient engine. Emily Chan, CNBC.
Okay, other stories we're watching for you this morning. We're going to be looking at reaction to news late Friday that Singtel plans to raise its stake in Thailand's Advanced Info Service, AIS, to 23.32%. Singtel owns 21.25% right now, but agreed to buy additional shares worth about $260 million. The deal is still subject to approval from regulators and also ShinCorp's shareholders. And bidding for MF Global's Asia-Pacific operations has been extended amid an influx of offers for the units of the collapsed U.S. brokerage. Liquidators had expected to settle the sale over the weekend, but extended the bidding deadline until 8 p.m. Monday, today, in Hong Kong. The sudden surge in interest suggests MF Global's franchise in the region may be kept intact and that creditors may see more of their money back. The liquidators plan to agree on terms with the winning bidder by tomorrow. Meantime, RBS is reportedly moving into its final rounds to auction off its aviation business. 4 potential buyers, including China Development Bank, have reportedly been asked to submit bids. RBS Aviation Capital was first put up for sale back in 2009, then got put on hold during the financial crisis, and the process was only restarted earlier this year. Okay, morning calls up next on Squawk Asia. We'll get you set up for the trading day ahead, Greater China-wise, after this.
Tech Effect, presented by EMC, enabling the transformation of IT and business.
So far, Sentosa has seen more than 15 million visitors to our attractions, including the region's first Universal Studio theme park, the Maritime Experiential Museum and Aquarium, a casino, and 6 uniquely themed hotels and spa villas. We also have a marine life park and a huge range of exciting entertainment options for the entire family to enjoy. These properties generate an enormous amount of customer data that we need to store, process, and protect. EMC's storage infrastructure system have handled these challenges very well. The prospect of big data analytics is very exciting. We can study a wealth of customer data across all our resort facilities to address their needs with a better perspective. EMC has been a true partner, helping us to build a formidable IT system towards supporting business innovation.
EMC, enabling the transformation of IT and business.